Have you ever been to a website like Well Found and noticed that all of their images are from Unsplash? Like this girl, she's just so famous. And I decided to just kind of check how famous is she. Well, you do a quick, Google reverse image search, and you realize that, she's working for over 10,000 companies. Now, obviously, this is because Unsplash provides free photography. And it's becoming a little bit overused because she's overexposed, and a lot of other stock models are also overexposed. And I think the minute that somebody notices that you're saying, Crystal works at my company, people know that it's a fake. So to kind of avoid that initial reaction, you can actually create your own stock images using Try It On AI. So today I'm going to show you a very quick way to create your very own crystal. Just head over to tryitonai.com and head over to Creative Studio. Now, we actually offer it completely free to any Creative Studio user. This stock photo you can create both guys and girls, men and women. So just click on continue and head straight into the text prompt area. So let's say I am the company, I'm Well Found, and I want to create a really happy employee in New York. So let's give it a go. I'll say a photo, and I probably know my demographic. Let's say a 20-year-old. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to say Latina. You can be a little bit more specific, like olive skin, brunette, if you want to. And I will say happy. Now you can enhance this prompt if you don't have more specifics. So I'll just give you some ideas. Okay, so it'll give you ideas for lighting. Now, if you have brand colors, you can also put them in here. So let's say again, I'm Well Found. Their brand colors are white, red, and black. So I will say wearing a black t-shirt with red lips. Actually, sorry, just in case. All right, and let's go. Click on Generate for Images. And we will give it just a few seconds to generate my first 4 images and see if I like any of them. And okay, amazing. These are absolutely awesome. I would probably use this one because it's a little bit further away. But yeah, they're pretty perfect. What do you think, Well Found? Okay, let's try another one. Try It On is really good at people, but you can also create all sorts of stock imagery. And again, with a Creative Studio account, it's totally free. Now, we have a lot of real estate clients, and they do a lot of content marketing. So what you could say, so imagine you have a website and you need a really cool real estate shot, maybe like up close. You could just say a close-up of an architectural facade. White color tones. Oops. Okay, and again, enhance the prompt. Put a realistic, yep. All right, let's give it a go. And while this is creating, I can create a lot more content. Let's say you're a restaurateur. You just need a juicy burger photo. Again, you can add in, yeah, there you go, perfect. Now imagine this as a background image on your website. Actually, this one is probably a bit better. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And again, you can even do a little bit of AI editing. So let's say you really like this, but you want it expanded for your website. Just literally click AI edit and then say expand it and give me more landscape options. And that's it. Now let's go back to my cheesy burger. Melting cheese. And again, you can bring in your brand colors, right? So maybe say blue background. Or if you're kind of a fun burger joint that uses a lot of neon, you can say neon whites. And again, I like to enhance it just faster. Okay, let's go for it. Let's see what it does. And you can continue doing this for every single industry, create whatever you like. But again, Try It On is pretty awesome at real people, but you can create other stuff as well. Woo, okay. Yeah, these are a little bit crazy with the cheese. So I would probably just say, you know what, I love it, but give me a few other options. So I could just say regenerate this version. Okay, there we go, and it's expanded it. I don't love this one, but honestly, I can download it and just crop this out, but otherwise it's pretty perfect. Let's see. Yeah, it's really good. All right, so it's got my blue cheese in here, so I probably wouldn't use this one. I'd probably go again on prompt. So do expect that this might happen, or if you know a little bit of Photoshop, you can just, color it in yellow. And again, let's go back to people. Another one that's really famous, another Unsplash stock image that's really famous. It's the one of the girl on the floor with orange pants. I swear, I'm just gonna find it. Well, actually, it's this one. All right, so what I can do is, again, go into my studio and say, a fitness photo of a 28, let's go, you know, again, any age you want, 50-year-old, I don't know, redhead, I can even say slightly chubby if I want to, wearing whatever your brand color for the gym is, wearing a dark green outfit. Let's enhance it. Okay, and let's give it a go. Okay, here we go. I really love this one, so it even did the swoosh. Sorry, Nike, not sure how you feel about that. Yeah, I mean, the hand here is not awesome, but if I really like it, I could just regenerate these. Again, I really love this one, so I'll just regenerate. And so on and so forth. Let's do one last one for a category that's really famous for the creative studio, which is beauty brands. So they use a lot to create virtual models of actually their real models. But again, I can say a Vogue editorial shot of a Vietnamese model. Oops. And then I can say, you know, beauty cream ad. I mean, I'm doing this super quickly. You can take your time and really define the colors, the makeup, the everything you want. Okay, here we go. These are pretty good, but again, because I didn't specify like slightly chubby, and I regenerated, it didn't keep the slightly chubby version. But it's okay. These are pretty awesome. Here you go. I mean, these are absolutely stunning. And that's the end of your mini tutorial on how to create stock models that are not overexposed like our girl over here. That's it. Have fun.